Tour begins, y'all. Up walking Cerro Negro. Let me show y'all this. Look at this. They said it was gonna be flat. Already walking up. Follow me, follow me. Almost there to the top. Almost there, y'all. By the way, we paid somebody $7 to take our boards if you were wondering why I didn't have a board. See y'all at the top. So we have to walk down there, y'all, and then we're gonna slide down. The hike begins up walking Cerro Negro. We don't have boards, as you can see, because somebody else is carrying them.